The Ukraine military just launched another successful drone campaign deeper into Russia. Since Ukraine was given the okay by NATO to make strikes into Russia, they have been attacking the Rostov region successfully. Russian soldiers have suffered 565,000 casualties since the beginning of this war, lost 8,200 tanks, 15,000 artillery, 15,000 armored combat vehicles, and 28 warships and boats. Speaking of Russia's navy, their entire fleet has been driven out of Crimea due to the Ukrainian attacks, even though the Ukrainians don't have a navy. In the last 60 days alone, Russia has lost 70,000 troops, meaning on average they have been losing over 1,100 troops per day, which is a much higher rate than before. The war has been going on for 900 days. If Russia lost troops at that rate, they would be up to 1 million casualties. This doesn't mean that Russia is going to surrender anytime soon, but it means that their losses are staggering and their military looks so much weaker than everyone else thought. And despite what the Russian news is saying, all of this has been occurring without NATO troops stepping in. I'm the Geo Husar, and let's hope that this war ends soon. Thanks for watching.